So guys, it's time for dinner and I was wondering what type of rice to cook because for some time now I've been cooking the same rice. So I thought let me just prepare this rice since I have everything in my kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, you people are going to give this my rice a name because I don't know what to name it. I wish I have known this recipe before. I would have long prepared it. So guys, sit tight and let's prepare this simple but delicious rice together. So for the chicken breast we are using, this is it, thoroughly washed, sliced thinly. You can see how it is. You can use any protein of choice. You can use beef, you can use gizzard for this. So what I'll do first now is for me to season. Here I have paprika, I have ginger, garlic, onion powder, I have thyme, and I have not seasoning, I have curry powder. So mix everything together like so. I think I mentioned salt. I have salt there, just little salt, so it's not too salty. So when that is done, I'll just pour everything in here like so. Then mix very well. Allow it to rest for like 5 minutes so that it marinate very well. And when you are eating, it is so delicious in your mouth. So guys, after 5 minutes marinating the chicken breast, it's now time to fry it a bit. So get in your cooking oil, add in your clean pan, and then fry. Oil is hot now, so I will now pour in the chicken breast. Just allow it to pan fry. You can see the oil in the pan is not too much, so just keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. So after frying for like 5 minutes, I get in some sesame oil because I want that smoky vibe in this my rice. So after that, I get in my chopped onions. You need a lot of onions for this. A lot. When I say a lot of onions, I mean a lot of onions. You now allow it to fry. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing at this point. So allow it to fry. Then you come back. So guys, I'm back. Check, see what we have now. So at this point, I will now bring in our chopped peppers. What I have here is cayenne pepper and scotch bonnet pepper, deseeded and then now chopped. You now add it here to keep cooking. At this point, you have to cover the pot so that the pepper can cook very well because you don't want any sour taste. So this is what we have. So it's now time for me to bring in our bell peppers. I have yellow pepper, I have green pepper, and I have red pepper, all of them diced. So I'll just be adding some of them now at this point. Then later on when the rice is cooked, we'll now add the remaining. So I'll now stir very well. Then I'll season so that everything will be so delicious. So here I have chicken seasoning, I have all spiced, mixed spice, I have curry powder, and I have my bouillon cube. So I'll stir very well before I add in the salt. So I'll just add in some salt. Don't add too much at first, just be adding it gently. So if it's not okay, you can now adjust. So combine very well. Then you now bring in your washed rice. So this is the washed rice. Use hot water to wash to take out some of the starch. So this is what we have here. You can use any rice that you have. So now combine everything very well. You have to combine so that each grain will touch the sauce. Just keep combining. You can see all colors here. You can use any bell pepper you can lay your hands on. So after stirring and I feel that it is well combined, I'll now get the chicken stock. So this is my chicken stock. You now add, it won't be enough to cook the rice, so you have to get in some more water to add to it. So I get some water, add it to the pot. If it's not enough to cook it, you keep on adding water until the rice is so soft. So I'll cover the pot and then let it start doing its own thing. So guys, after 30 minutes, this is what we have. Let's check if there's still water. Okay, the water is dry. So at this point, I'll bring in the remaining chopped bell peppers. So this will be so crunchy. So I'll now combine everything together. It's like our pot is small, but it's still okay. The aroma in my kitchen at this point is so amazing. Guys, I want you to give this my rice a name because I do not know what to give to it. And guys, if I watched up to this moment, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing. Wow. So you just combine everything. Combine. Man, you can see how colorful this rice is. Very colorful. So combine at this point, guys. It will soon be served and enjoy. So instead of cooking one type of rice all the time, you can always use this recipe for your rice and the whole family is going to love it. So everything is well combined now. I'll now get my spring onions. But if you don't have, you can just omit it. So this is the spring onions. At this point, guys, I'll turn off the heat and guys, serve and enjoy. So get your plate ready. Food is being served. So get your spoon ready. Let us eat. Man, this thing is so hot. This is so delicious. Guys, try this and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next.